only rule for eating a taco is that once you have it ready, you don't put it down, you just finish it. I grew up in a family where food was the glue of everything. Cooking, eating, and sitting around the table brings people together in a way that few things do. I never set out to become a chef. I opened a restaurant, and it was a farm-to-table restaurant in Mexico City when that was not the general trend. It was so successful that I turned it into my career. This class is for everybody and anybody who's interested in food. It's important to know about other cultures through food. I'm gonna teach you how to make a few delicious salsas. My goodness, it's so good. Pescado a la talla, tuna tostadas, aguachile, tamales, and I'm gonna teach you how to make tortillas. From age 7, I became the resident tortilla maker in my house. It was the first thing I learned to cook. It's actually a fairly easy process. There's nothing like a fresh-made tortilla. There really isn't. We're gonna make tacos al pastor, the dish of Mexico City, and it's a street food. It's a rub with chiles, fresh vegetables, and spices. The aroma is really enticing. But it's so good. It's very typical of Mexican culture to start the day off with eggs. We're gonna make huevos rancheros divorciados using a green sauce and a red sauce. I'm gonna put a little bit of water. They're gonna roast for half an hour. And meanwhile, we do nothing. I really urge you to pay attention to every bit of what you put into the dish, just in a way in which you translate your enjoyment. Está delicioso. And I know it's not always easy, but the more one can connect with people over a shared love of a delightful dish, the better off your result will be. I am Gabriela, and this is my masterclass.